Stress coping and stress management. Everyone experiences stress at some point in life. Hensley, a scientist who popularized the concept of stress and said stress as a scientific concept suffers the misfortune of being too widely known and too poorly understood, even though stress is one of the most common human experiences. It is surprisingly difficult to define. Scientists say that stress is a force or event that impairs normal stability, balance, or functioning. Coping with stress. Stress is a normal part of everyday life. There is no escaping it. However, there are some ways to deal with it that are more healthy and beneficial than others. For instance, drinking alcohol is not good way to deal with stress, but regular exercising is good. Stress coping. Can you define stress coping? Coping refers to the thoughts and actions we use to deal with stress. Methods of stress coping. Avoidance or minimizing versus confrontation. Vigilant, taking direction. Next, categorizes. Strategy dealing with traumatic events. Social support, material support. Information support, emotional support, social interaction. Coping strategies. 8 coping strategies. First, confrontant coping. Second, distancing. 3, self-control. 4, seeking social support. 5, accepting responsibility. 6, escape avoidance. 7, planned problem solving. 8, positive reappraisal. Coping styles. Self-regulating, positive or dysfunctional styles, proactive or functional styles, situational determinant to prevent psychological degeneration, relaxation and meditation techniques. 1. Meditation. The beauty of practicing meditation is that it allows you to let go of everyday worries and literally live in the moment. People who meditate regularly report improvement physically, mentally, and spiritually. Most experts recommended meditation for about 20 to 30 minutes at a time. Beginners may find it's difficult to meditate for this length at first, but does not despair. It will become easier once you are meditating regularly. Second, biofeedback measures your blood pressure, muscle tension level, breathing and heart rate. Nowadays, using electromyography electrodes, SEMG, to skin by electrically measure the blood pressure, muscle tension level, breathing, etc. Three, yoga. Yoga combines meditation and physical exercise to achieve improved health and sense of well-being. Yoga involves repeating movements that can help improve strength and flexibility, as well as promote mental and physical health and greater self-understanding. 4. Guided imaginary. It is a wonderful stress reduction tool which uses visualization and mental imagery techniques to improve health. According to the Guided Imagery Resource Center, guided imagery can reduce blood pressure, low cholesterol and glucose levels in the blood, and heighten short-term immunocell activity. Five, deep breathing. Deep breathing exercise, also known as diaphragmatic breathing. In this exercise, you are learning not to engage in the typical shallow breathing, but breathing through your diaphragm. A technique learned and practiced by singers and actors for centuries to produce uninterrupted song or dialogue. Dealing with stress. First, make connection. Good relationship with family and friends are important. Make an attempt to reconnect with people. Accepting help and support from those who care about you can help alleviate stress. Second, set realistic goals. Take small, concrete steps to deal with takes instead of overwhelming yourself with goals that are too far reaching for busy time. 3. Keep things in perspective. Try to consider stressful situation in a broader context and keep a long-term perspective. Avoid blowing events out of proportion. 4. Take decisive action instead of letting stresses get the best of you. Make a decision to address the underlying cause of a stressful situation. 5. Take care of yourself. Pay attention to your own needs and feelings. Engage in activities that you enjoy and find relaxing. Taking care of yourself helps keep your mind and body primed to deal with stressful situations. Coping with stress at work. First, track your stresses. Keep a journal for a week to identify which situation create the most stress and how you respond to them. Second, develop healthy responses. Instead of attempting to fight stresses with fast food or alcohol, do your best to make healthy choices. When you feel the tension rise, exercise is a great stress booster. Yoga can be an excellent choice, but any form of physical activity is beneficial. Build healthy sleep habits at night. Look at this picture. Coping with stress at work. 3. Establish boundaries. In today's digital world, it is easy to feel pressure to be available 24 hours a day. Establish some work-life boundaries for yourself. 4. Take time to recharge. To avoid the negative effects of chronic stress and burnout, we need time to return our pre-stress level of functioning. 5. Learn how to relax. Techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness, a state in which you actively observe present experiences and thoughts without judging them, can help melt away stress. 6. Talk to your supervisor. Healthy employees are typically more productive. So your boss has an incentive to create a work environment that promotes employees' well-being. Start by having an open conversation with your supervisor. 7. Get some support. Employers may also have stress management resources available through an employee assistance program EAP, including online information, available counseling, and referral to mental health professionals if need. Stress management strategies. 1. Avoid unnecessary stress. 2. Alter the situation. 3. Adapt to the structure. 4. Accept the things you cannot change. 5. Make time for fun and relaxation. 6. Adopt a healthy lifestyle. Moderators of stress. First, personality variables. 2. Organizational variables. 3. Individual response. detail going on. First, personality variables. 1. Needs, personal growth, achievement, self-actualization. 2. Locus of control, synergy of physiological, psychological and social needs. 3. Personality type, monitoring of type A individuals. 4. Coping strategies, approach strategy, avoidance does the opposite. 5. Efforts, doctrine of karma, culture. Second, organizational variables. 1. Organizational climate. 2. Job satisfaction. 3. Occupational stress. 4. Hierarchical level. 5. Psychological participation, feeling of involvement. 3. Individual response. Individuals can develop certain temperamental qualities, adopt specific behavior patterns or habits which would help in preventing, mitigating or effectively coping with stress. Some are increased self-esteem, tolerance and patience. Avoid rigidity in functioning, attitudes and decisions. Avoid multitasking, prioritize, share your problems with friends and peers. Be sincere, not try to be perfectionist. Do not be always over enthusiastic. Be a realist in your aspirations. Maintain good interpersonal relations. Ignore minor irritations. Manage time pragmatically. Work on your strengths. Recreation, music, painting, fishing and trekking. Exercise, walking, games, yoga, relaxation, meditation. SMET, self-management of executive tension. QRT, quick relaxation technique. Instant relaxation technique. Arts of living, biofeedback, de-stressing programs, spiritual inclinations, spiritual unhealthy way of coping with stress, smoking, drinking too much alcohol, overeating or undereating, zoning out for hours in front of TV or computer, withdrawing from friends, family and activities. Do you blame your stress on others, using pills, drugs to relax, sleeping too much, postpone, filling up every minutes of the day to avoid facing problems, taking out your stress on others? Look at this picture. Stress management pyramid. Time management, exercise, viewpoint, spiritual integration. Loving relationship, healthy eating, then relaxation. Thank you. Have a nice day.